Lee Phillips here. Yeah, I'm still a lawyer. Don't hold that against me. I'm almost through being a lawyer, though. So you might like me later. Any rate, question is, okay, I need an LLC, and Lee says that the LLC needs to be owned by the living revocable trust so that when I die, my family doesn't have to probate the LLC. That is true. Good idea. Now, having said that, obviously you have to have your trust first. Then when you fill out the paperwork for the LLC, you put the trust as the owner of the LLC or the corporation or whatever it is. Now you're going to be the registered agent, but the trust is going to be the owner. And you have to remember, whenever my trust owns anything, the name on the title is name of trust, date of trust, and trustee. Got to have all three of those elements to make this valid. So those go on the ownership of the LLC. Now I'm going to tell you, if I need my company today because I got a good deal, I got to start, go ahead and set up the LLC today and we'll worry about getting the trust in place later. And then later we can transfer ownership of the LLC over to the trust. Takes some paperwork, but it's no big deal. You can do it. So don't get caught up in which comes first, the chicken or the egg. Let's get them both going. And if the LLC happens to come first, fine. We'll later transfer it over to the trust. If I've got the trust already, then I'm just going to make it a little easier by putting the trust information on the LLC application at the state, and we can get that. Now you're going to have to put your EIN. You're still going to be the responsible party and all of that sort of stuff. So it gets a little snaky when the trust owns the LLC, but it's nothing you can't overcome. It's pretty good. You can get there. No problem. Now go ahead, get my free How to Use a Trust. Just click on that link, and if you want to leave a message or something, a question for me, fine. I answer the questions. So you can do that below, and don't forget to love us and like us and share us and all that sort of good stuff. This is Lee Phillips talking about which comes first, the trust or the LLC.